Well, so I woke up this morning, had coffee on the porch, and I thought
Yes.
for a moment, what did we do to deserve this?
Well, we went through 10 days of nasty
There
weather.
it is. That's what we did.
Did you have a sweater, a sweatshirt on?
I didn't. I was just enjoying it. It was gorgeous.
It was some places in the 40s and 50s
Wow.
this morning. So yeah, you did need a sweater in
Windows
some
up,
places.
having a good time.
Yes, I threw all my windows open and then I forgot to close them, so don't go to my house. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on down the shore. Where's your family, Joe? I know they're out there
They're
somewhere.
not down the shore.
They're enjoying themselves.
They are. You know what? With the neighborhood, the friends, the kids are out having a good old time.
Everybody is out today, and I'm glad to see that. And you know what? Hopefully you got a chance to spend some time out there today as well. Let's take a look. Another shot from down the shore. Look at all the people just enjoying the surf. Waves are fairly low, but we could see by Monday or Tuesday that they pick up because we're going to have a system offshore. It's still not able to determine exactly how strong it will be, but we're keeping an eye on it. So what are we going to be looking at next? Another pleasant day for tomorrow, but we will see increasing high clouds, so not as sunny tomorrow as we were today. Temperatures, they're going to be taking a dip to start the week. We're not talking about 80s, we're talking about the mid-70s, and we are going to have an unsettled week ahead, so carry that umbrella starting on Monday. Wind speed right now is playing a factor in all of this. Look at Atlantic City, 10-mile-an-hour wind speed out of the southeast. Juxtaposed to, well, let's say Mount Pocono, they have an 8-mile-an-hour wind speed out of the northwest. Wilmington out of the northwest. It's calm in Philadelphia, but that wind coming off of the water, that is a sea breeze that developed because of the sunshine out there today. So all the shore points are in the mid-70s. The water temperature at 71. Go to Philadelphia, it is 83. Go to Redding, it is 83. Even Mount Pocono, the same as the shore right now. So that is the effect of that sea breeze. Now we are also in this trough right here. It's not a bad trough. We're not looking at super cold air, but the real heat is bottled up out to the west, and we are going to be cooler than average, which we were today, all the way through Wednesday. This trough just sort of reinforces itself. That ridge of high pressure backs up to the west, and we stay in the cooler air. So here's a look at that sea breeze on our Storm Scan 3. You can actually see that green squiggly line making its way inland. Thought it could get as far as I-95. It didn't have enough oomph for that, but it certainly brought some refreshing air to everybody along the shore points. As we go further inland, you'll see the clouds making their way through Pittsburgh. That is the next system diving out of the Great Lakes. It's diving into that trough, that dip that's over us. It's going to go by to our south, and when it does that, we could pick up some showers from this on Monday. Then it'll go out to sea. It might phase with another area of low pressure, and we could have a coastal low by the time that we get into Tuesday. We're watching that closely. But high pressure is in control for today, and we are much less humid. A beautiful day. We go through the evening. Stunning evening. If you have any plans, this is 11:30 at night. Now the clouds do increase overnight. We're going to call it partly cloudy. You may see some clouds in the morning. We'll get some breaks in the cloud cover. Here we are at 4:30 tomorrow. I don't buy the rain coming into the area. I think it's late tomorrow night. And Monday, here we go, Monday morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, a mix of sun and clouds. Clouds up pretty quickly. Look at this. We have no rain tomorrow, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, chances of rain, maybe even picking up a thunderstorm on Thursday. Here's how that all rolls out. We have the system coming in from the Great Lakes. It comes by to the south on Monday. Then we see another system coming up the coast. That is the coastal low. Here we are Tuesday. Somebody may get some heavy rain from this. We're watching it closely. It backs around on Wednesday close enough to perhaps bring us some thunderstorms in the afternoon. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, throw on the sweater if you're in the Poconos, or if you're in Allentown, you'll be in the 40s, 62 in Philadelphia, 64 in Wilmington, 67 in Atlantic City. If you're like Joe, sit out there, have your coffee, but it is going to be a cool one to start the day, all the way up to 85 with those increasing clouds, and then carry that umbrella. Look at this. We drop into the 70s for Monday and Tuesday, maybe a thunderstorm Thursday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday early before things kind of quiet back down. So Joe, wear that sweater tomorrow.
All right, it's a nice break. Tammie, thank you so much.